Hey y'all, so I'm back from church and I'm doing the second part of these Coca-Cola country ribs. Let me show you what I have. So let me see. I hate to pick stuff up when I'm using my phone because I know how to mess stuff up right there. But this is the ribs after they've been in the Coca-Cola liquid all night. So now I'm just gonna take them out and I'm gonna put them on this cookie sheet and I'm gonna put them in the oven for about probably another 15 minutes. I'm gonna slather them with barbecue sauce. Put them in there for about 15, 20 minutes. Because I want that barbecue sauce to caramelize and this to get really cooked in. But this is how they look. They are tender already. See how tender they are. Got a really good taste to it. It's good. So we're just gonna take them out of here. I originally was gonna do this with some boneless. I thought I had country ribs, boneless country ribs, but I found out I had the ones with the bone in it. So I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. I doubt it. They cooked up really good though. I think I might turn them over and do them on the opposite side. Like that's the side that was up. I'm gonna let this be the side that's up in the oven. I'm gonna put them in the oven on 350 for about probably 20 minutes at the most. I don't want them to get dried out. Y'all see my voice is still hoarse, not hoish. Dang. I start talking about something else. Still got a hoarse voice from last night. All that screaming we was hollering we was doing. And like I said, this was 2 packages of 4 pounds. And so I used 2 cans of Coke. So you know how, if you're doing it at your house, you might just be doing 1, or you could be doing 2, because you could be doing this for a Sunday dinner for a group. So let's do it the same way. Well, once we know if it's going to be a success, then we'll decide. Okay? I'm tired, y'all. Y'all been following me for any time. Y'all know this is now 6 weeks in a row that I have had something to do on the weekend. Either Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, or Saturday and Sunday. So I'm exhausted. These are some good pieces of meat. Got a lot of meat on it, 1 bone at the back. Just gonna put them on this big old cookie sheet. And we're just doing this together. Like I said, this will be part 2. I didn't do this on my camera or anything like that. It was just an impromptu to give y'all some more content. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope it's something that y'all can use. So I got my church clothes on, y'all. I already got my daughter's makeup on it when I was getting her undressed and getting her out of the wheelchair, because we went to church today. Because today was our family and friends service, so she went with us today. So, and then I took her to see Lion King yesterday, before the fight party. We went to go see Lion King, so I'm exhausted. Okay, so that's all of the meat. Okay, just took all that liquid, it's just still sitting in here. All that liquid is in here, okay? We're not going to use that liquid. And now we're going to pour some barbecue sauce on here. Just any kind of barbecue sauce you want to. This is the Sweet Baby Ray's. Now, I like the spicy and sweet, but we had this from a party or something, so I'm just going to use this one. And I might put a little sriracha or something on there with it. But right now, I'm just going to pour it on there, and then I'm going to brush it. So see, I'm not doing nothing fancy. And I am going to wrap these if I'm gonna put them in there 20 minutes, I probably leave them wrapped for 15 and then take it out the last 5, okay? I'm gonna use this whole bottle because I do want these to be saucy. I'm gonna make this with some, I'm gonna serve this with some baked potatoes. I don't know if you hear my microwave, but when I do baked potatoes, I start them off in the microwave and let them get soft, almost all the way soft, and then I put them in the oven. That cuts your baked potato cooking time in half. Let me find me something. Where's my brush? Where's my brush? Where's my brush? I don't see my brush. I don't see my brush. I don't see my brush. Hold on, y'all. Where is my brush at? Okay, just because I'm looking for it. I can't find it. See. There it is. It's in the dishwasher. Let me rinse it out there. Okay, here I come, here I come, here I come. Okay, so we're just gonna brush the sauce all over the meat. Let me see if I can pick y'all up a little bit. I hate picking y'all up because I messed up. In my early days when I only had my phone, honey, I used to mess this kind of stuff up. So pray for me that I don't mess this up. Okay. Hey, y'all. Got my cabinet all open. But yeah, I'm just brushing this on here, okay? Gotta get it on the front and the back. Okay. These are some good sized pieces of meat. Y'all seeing what I'm doing? I can't see. This was my early days, y'all, when I used to do it only on my phone. I ain't had no music, no nothing when I first started. I remember these days. So, yeah. Then I'm just gonna go up under these and make sure that I've got sauce at the bottom and at the top. How long have we been on here? We've been on here almost 8 minutes, you guys. So that's getting long enough for it not to be a true video, okay? I'm gonna put these in the oven, and then when I see y'all on part 3, they'll be ready, and I'll show y'all. We'll taste them, and I'll let y'all know how I feel about these Coca-Cola country ribs, okay? I'll see you guys later on. Bye-bye.